Okay, our next step is to contour. If you have contouring products, then that is wonderful. If not, that's okay. It's just another element to creating definition and highlighting and more definition to the face. So we are going to add some contouring. For contouring, I have 2 highlighters up at the top and 2 contours. I usually use the top one, as you can see, a lot. The lower, like this one, is my darker one. So it depends on the skin tone, which one you would use. And so I usually use this one and that a lot. Sometimes I'll use this. And sometimes I'll mix a little bit of that, depending. So we have great contouring colors for all shades. And we're coming out with some new sticks, which is exciting. So that's going to be really fun. So let's do contour. So we're first going to contour here, right? And you can see that in this picture. So the cheek, how you're going to make the cheek look thinner right there, but then you're going to make the apple of the cheek and underneath the eye brighter and pop and accentuate it. All right. So again, this brush is like awesome. You can just tip it right here at the end. I like to, I don't know, I still do that from when I was little. You could do that. And then you're going to start right where you feel this bone at the top of the ear. And it comes, this is your cheekbone. You're going to come right underneath that big bone. So you can see it right there. And you only want to come halfway. If you go here, you look more like a skeleton. It just makes it really sunk in. So you want to go here just to draw a little bit of having the face go in, and then again making the cheeks really big and bright. Okay, ready? Always start off light, just like paint. You can always get darker. If you go darker, you can always take it off, or you can use your contour, you could use your foundation, you could blend, you could use your translucent powder to lighten it up. But I always like to go lighter, and then you can always go darker. But it's harder to go darker and then go back. I'll make it a little bit more. And we're gonna blend that, so don't be scared. I just go by the feeling. So I'm feeling it with the brush. I'm pushing it in, and then I can feel where that bone is. And don't go down, but kind of a little curve up where your cheek is. There you go, because you're going to blend that in. So up here at the hairline, and then down. Nice. Okay, so before we do the highlighter, let's do the pink. I want to start with the Rosy Nude, which is a matte, and I'm going to put that down here at the bottom. And then I like to do the smile, so the apple of your cheek. And people put it on different. I do like it on the apple. So we're going to put there. And then we're going to blend it up. Again, we're going to use translucent powder, so don't be afraid of the color. You can blend it. And if you're not used to color, sometimes it looks like really a lot of color. But if you're going to be on stage, you're going to be under lights, then you want to make it a lot more. You want to make it really, really uncomfortable for you, because the lights are going to wash that out. Or even if you're using lights like for filming or anything like that. So then I'm going to highlight with the Rogue Rose. So that one is a shimmer rose, and I want to just build a little shimmer, especially at the top of the matte rose. So I'm just building on it a little bit. Nice. Okay, so now we're going to use the highlighter. Whoops, up at the top. So this one. This one. All right. What is that one called? I think it's like, let's take a look. Let's take a look. It's like glazed. Glaze, yes. Okay. So right there on top. And we're gonna blend it. All right. So let's get a little translucent powder. Nice. Okay. So we're also going to add some of the glaze on the nose, and we're going to add some of the, for me, that shade is the latte. So we're going to add the latte along the side of the nose. Okay. So you can use this one. You could use a smaller brush. I'm going to make it like small and just kind of go on the side. Okay. So we're going to do the latte. So up at the eye and down the nose. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Again, we'll blend, right? A little here. There you go. Okay. So now I'm going to use the all-over brush because I just want to go down here with the highlighter. Although you can also use the bigger brush. So the light's going to hit where the highlighter is. And then I also use it right here in the center because that's another place the light hits. And then we can also contour up in the hairline. So we can use the bigger brush for there. And then chin. And upper lip. All the places that you want to accentuate. Okay, let's do a little of the hairline. So if you have, like, you just want to do where the sun would kiss the forehead, and then also it makes your forehead smaller, so anywhere that you are kind of going around the top makes it a shadow, it makes it a little bit smaller, so depending on what kind of look you want. Okay, and then again we will translucent it out. keep going.